Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python problem. And the problem is that suppose we take a sentence as here and within the sentence there have lots of words. And suppose we want to replace a particular word by another word. And in that sentence the word occurs multiple times. That means multiple times we will replace the word by another word, but without using replace method. Means the string have the special method known as replace. So we don't use this replace method here. Without using this replace method, how to do to replace any word by another word? So go to the computer screen. Through PyCharm IDE I will discuss today's Python problem. Okay. Hello friends, I am just within the Python IDE PyCharm, and here I am just write the code for Python program is concerned. Okay, and the today's problem is that suppose we take a sentence and within that sentence there are lots of words are there. Okay, and suppose a particular word we want to replace by another word. It may happen the particular word may occur multiple times. So multiple time we should replace the word by another word. Okay, but this problem should be done without using the replace method, which is already provided within the Python, which is a built-in method already provided within the Python. Okay, so without using this replace method, how we can solve this problem? Okay, so write the code within the file, and the file name is ex2.py. okay, so at first we just write the sentence. So just write s equal and just write within double quote, suppose we just write we love India. Okay, and suppose we write this sentence again, we love India. Okay, now what happened? This we, this word I just replaced by you, y-o-u. Okay, so within this string s, we occurs two times. This is first and this is second, and these two times the we just replaced by the word y-o-u, means you. Okay, so at first we take the string or sentence within the variable s. Now what happened? We just convert this string as a list element. Means what happened? This sentence contain lots of word like we love India dot, again we love India dot, etc. So each and every word just convert as an element of a list. So just write l equal, and now we here use a method split. So just write s dot split, and it should split by space, because just see each and every word just differentiate by a space. So what happened? So within the list we love India dot, again we love India dot, they are the individual element and which store within the list L. Okay, so that's why we are using here this split method. Okay, now what happened? We use here a for loop to go each and every index of the list, because we know for the list is concerned the element should be accessed by its index, and index start from 0. So just we write here for I in, and here we use a range function and just write here start with 0. Why? Because each and every index for list is concerned start from 0. So start from 0 and it go up to whatever the length, means how many elements is present within the list, we just find out. So just write len and send the argument as the list variable. So list variable is L. Okay, so it just go, what happens, suppose there how many elements is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so it will go up to 7, because the range, whatever the stop position value, it should just go up to 1 less. Okay, so we just write here I for I in range this. Okay, and then put a colon, and then we check if Li means the position of the index value, whatever we are, at first comes 0 then 1, in that way. If it's equal, this V, this word is encountered, it should be replaced in that position by U. Okay, means when any position element is V of this list is concerned L, it just replaced by U. Okay, and before do that, we take another string and it just as a blank, S1 equal double quote open close. Okay, why? Because after that what happened, we should concat a new string and we just take the element of the list as a string, because if we think about S as a sentence, then each and every word are the element of that list. Now we form a sentence, so that's why we need this S1. So just write here S1 plus equal, means we are appending each and every time this element of the list. Okay, and after that we just write here S1 plus equal double quote open close and put a space. Why? Because same way we should construct we, then space, then love, space India, and what happened here should be like that, U space love space India, in that way it's going on. So that's why the space is needed. Okay, now after it's complete is there, so now outside of that we just print the S1. Okay, so we already write this code within the file ex2.py and already save it. So just go to the run button and just choose run ex2. Just see the same sentence is there, but replaced each and every we, this word, by U. So at first we love India dot, we love India dot, just check you love India, you love India. Okay, suppose we put another we or more word should be added within that particular sentence, so just write we love India and then put a dot. Again if we run this same way, so 3 times this we is occurred within the sentence, and every time we just replace by U. Okay, so in this problem we don't use the replace method, because replace method is a string method, but we don't use here. Without using this replace method, we can replace a word by another word within a sentence. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have still some doubts today's topic is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve these doubts. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it and keep watching my channel Technical Arcade. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.